Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to connect Payoneer to Etsy. How do you sign up to accept Etsy payment with Payoneer? To sign up for Etsy payment, go to Shop Manager, then choose Finances, then open Payment Settings, then in the last choose Enroll Now. If nothing happens when you select Enroll Now, turn off any ad or pop-up blocker in your browser and try again. You will be prompted to sign into a Payoneer payment account or create a Payoneer payment account if you don't have one yet. If you need to sign up for a new Payoneer payment account, you will be asked to enter your personal details to verify your identity and your financial information to receive your sale funds. If you need help with setting up your Payoneer payment account or if it is pending, check Payoneer Support Center and contact Payoneer directly. If you run multiple Etsy shops, you are welcome to use the same Payoneer account in more than one Etsy shop. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.